My name is Alfonso Pacheco. I am in Management 110, Lab, Fridays at 8 to 8:50 a.m., Section 72148. After looking at my Iliad assessment, I realized that my initiative had the biggest gap of all. To solve this problem, I have decided to use two specific methods in order to improve my initiative, both in group teams and also in one-on-one interactions. I feel that these methods will be the most effective use of my time and will also allow me to get a better understanding of finances and my own analytical skills. The first method is that I will start reading a book called Investing for Dummies. The reason why I decided to start with this book is because I don't really know a whole lot about investing. I want to know, and knowledge is power. But more importantly, knowledge is confidence. Confidence to be able to talk without stuttering or feeling anxious. And that's why I've decided to start with this book, a simple, basic book that anyone can understand. Now, this book is 392 pages long, and obviously, I don't want to just try and binge read it in a single day. So, to make it easier on myself, I've decided to read 10 pages a day, starting today on November 16th. As such, I am very confident that I will finish this book by the end of December, and then I will go ahead and start on focusing on more specified subjects such as bonds or personal finances. That way I have a more general understanding of everything, and then I can use school to build upon that. The next thing I want to do is improve my analytical skills so that I can ask clarification questions and get a better understanding of how to help a customer when I eventually move into financial analysis. To start with this, I have decided to work on a project where I will be analyzing movies. These movies will be that my friends choose, and then I will analyze. I will have 3 days to do it, and then I will talk and argue whether or not I believe the movie was effective or not in terms of its particular score, whether it's an Oscar nomination or if it's just a good movie overall. While I do understand that at first this doesn't seem like something that will initially help me with my financial goals, it will help me with my analytical skills. It will allow me to further just develop what I need to do in terms of looking at a situation, looking at everything involved, and asking questions and even counter arguments. So that way, when I eventually get into financial analysis, I'll be able to answer any and all questions. I feel that these two methods will be very useful for me and will also just be a nice, enjoyable method of learning. And so that way I will be able to further improve as a financial analyst.